Hi everyone! Right next to me is the D5C interactive flat panel display from Hikvision, an ultimate tool for smarter offices and classrooms. It's all about teamwork and getting things done faster, whether you're working together or miles apart. Forget the hassle of paper documents and endless meetings. The D5C simplifies everything, saves time and cuts costs. It's perfect for meetings, workshops, learning lessons, virtual doctor visits and even family movie nights. The D5C series has 5 different sizes, ranging from 55 inches to 98 inches. No matter which size you choose, you can decide whether to have a built-in camera and microphone. Treated with anodized 150 mesh sandblasting, the surface has such a smooth touch. Let's start from the top and work our way down. At the top you will find a 4K 8i camera and an 8-arrow microphone that picks up sounds from 12 meters away. In the center you'll find a 4K screen. Provides a comfortable experience. In the bottom left corner you will find our front ports. There are 2 USB 3 ports, 1 touch USB, 1 HDMI and 1 Type-C port. You can use these ports to transfer files and control your PC and won't need any extra operation system setup. You have 2 ways to connect. First, use touch USB and HDMI cables together to enable reverse control. Second, use a full function Type-C cable. The Type-C port supports screen mirroring, charge the device with 65 watts and regular USB file transfers. In the bottom right corner is our NFC module. With the WonderCast app on your Android phone, just tap it on the module to instantly mirror your screen. Easy and quick. Lastly, check out our floor stand. It's shaped like graceful posture of ballet, with top-notch spraying and welding. There's no visible seams on the stand, flawless and tough. Let's start with the login interface. When you turn on the screen, you will see the login interface and you can create up to 10 user accounts. Under each user account, you can install apps, save documents and personalize language and background. This gives everyone their own private space for management. Once you're logged in, you will see our main page, designed with OS 3.0 style for a techy and fresh look. Let's explore. Swipe right for device status and quick guide, and swipe left for the app gallery, where you will find all the pre-installed apps like Play Store, YouTube and Google Workspace. Back on the main page, tap the time for the time settings. Tap the screen mirroring code to check out the hotspot. Tap annotation to start annotation anytime. We tailored these features to match users' habits, making it flexible and easy to use, so everyone can enjoy a seamless experience. The bottom menu bar offers convenient interaction options. The bottom left corner is for switching signal sources, while the bottom right corner is for Wi-Fi, brightness, volume, and various tools. Long pressing allows you to customize the position of frequent use functions to maximize your convenience. Moreover, the built-in Hikvision keyboard enhances interaction convenience. Look, you can freely move the keyboard. You can type or write by hand. Compared to a traditional keyboard, it meets different user habits and improves flexibility. And here's a stunning feature. Long press an app icon to open it in a window and resize it by dragging the edges. You can have up to 4 windows open simultaneously. For example, you can do screen mirroring while annotating at the whiteboard, or compare multiple documents at once. This enables multitasking with up to 4 windows at once. First, open the bottom menu and find the screen recording tool. It can record your screen, microphone or system sound, giving you flexible options. Start recording and you will see a movable widget on the screen. Now it's recording your screen and system sound. Then click to stop. The recording is automatically saved to the default folder. You can see it's recorded both the screen and system sound. These tools is perfect for capturing important content in education and conferences, ensuring nothing gets missed. Next up is the file transfer tool. Click it and you will get a QR code. Just scan it to quickly share photos, videos or documents from your phone to the IFPD. Every can be shared. See? A message pops up on the big screen. Click to view the uploaded content. It's perfect for sharing anything you need to show, anytime, anywhere. Spotlight is a fun classroom tool. Let's give it a try. When open it, only a part of the content will be displayed. So I move the spotlight to cover different areas, making it easy to highlight the key points. You can also adjust the size and transparency, helping students to focus on the key content. We also have a fun tool called Magnifier. It automatically enlarges the selected content. You can adjust the zoom level and freely using the menu bar. No matter how detailed the content is, it ensures that the viewers on site can clearly see every detail. The Wondercast app works with Android, iOS, Windows and Mac OS. Just enter the code to start screen mirroring with different modes. Screen mirroring shows everything on the big screen and lets you control it from your device. Extend mirroring, make the big screen your second monitor. Move stuff from your device to the big screen. Window mirroring, share a specific window from your device. Document mode, share a specific document from your device. Reverse screen mirroring, mirror content from the big screen to your device. If you don't want to use extra apps, Miracast and AirPlays are quick choices. Just connect your device to the network. For Android, swipe down and choose Miracast. For iOS, swipe down and choose AirPlay. And for Windows, just press Window keys plus K and you're good to go. There's another way to mirror your screen called the dongle projection. It comes in black or white and has a Type-C port on the top that opens into a small USB adapter for connection. In the middle, there's a button for choosing the device to connect. And at the bottom, there's an NFC module for one-touch projection with Android phones. The bottom also has a Type-C port for charging devices when the top one is in use. This option is great for first-timers. Just pair the device before starting, and once it's paired with the screen, you're good to go. Plug in the dongle, wait for the blue light. Press the button and enjoy 4K projection. I've started a 4K video, and as you can see, it mirrors quickly and smoothly without any lag. In our remote meetings, we got two cool AI features: Speaker Follow and Auto Framing. With Speaker Follow turned on, the camera zooms in on who's ever speaking. Like now, it will focus on me as I talk. Flip on Auto Framing and it adjusts to fit everyone within the frame. See? Right now, it's centered on me, but when a colleague joins in, it will adapt to both of us. Both functions can be adjusted, so it's not too fast or too slow. And you can use these functions on any meeting app on your IFPD. Even remote participants can feel like they're right there with us. Sometimes in remote meetings, multiple people need to do the screen sharing at the same time. It's super easy. Just click on mirroring control in the split screen mode set the screen count to 4 split screen. Then, the content from up to 4 devices can be displayed simultaneously on the big screen. Last but not least, let's talk about BYOM. It stands for Bring Your Own Meeting. To be more specific, when your computer connects to the IFPD, it can access the screen's camera, microphone and speakers. For example, this computer is connected to the screen. Now choose the Wonder camera. Wait a moment, and there you go. You can see it has successfully accessed the display audiovisual system. With BYOM, everyone can bring their own setup to the meeting seamlessly. First, open the button menu to access all writing and drawing tools. Start with writing, choose the basic brush, and you notice that the lines are the same thickness. Switch to the calligraphy brush for lines that vary in thickness, based on the writing speed, creating beautiful strokes. For quicker annotations, you got a 2-color pen mode. Just tap the red for the tip and blue for the tip, allowing you to write in one color and annotate in another, eliminating the hassle of frequent color switches. Next up, the selection tool. Highlight the content you need. Whether you're zooming in or out, no pixel will be lost. You can also change the color of selected content and lock a group of elements to prevent accidental edits. Erasing is simple. Use the palm for small areas or adjust the erase size for precise control. For larger areas, stick with the selection tool and swipe to delete quickly. Of course, there's a one-click tool for swiftly removing all the content. If you go into drawing flat shapes, open the ruler tool. It includes a triangle, a ruler, a compass and a projector. With these tools, you can draw lines of specific lengths and angles, as well as circles. Say goodbye to the traditional physical rulers. For more complex 3D shapes, the built-in library has covered you. From cylinders to cones and globes, you can draw them all with a single stroke. Plus, you can change their colors anytime. First up, multimedia import. Open the button menu and select Insert Picture or Open Video to import media from the tablet. Whether it's an image or video, it appears as a floating window on the whiteboard canvas, ensuring it doesn't interfere with other tools. To import media from the web, simply open the built-in web browser, searching for your desired content and long press to import it for editing. In addition to multimedia, we support importing common documents like PowerPoint, Word, Excel and PDF. Now I've imported a deck of PowerPoint slides, and as you can see, I can flip through the slides, edit and annotate them directly on the whiteboard, making everything highly efficient. Within the canvas, we also offer multi-user writing. Open the multi-user writing option and the canvas will split into 2 parts, supporting up to 3 sections. Let's give it a try. When 2 people write with different color pens, they can operate without interfering with each other. In complex information scenarios, visualization and managing data is essential. We offer various convenient visualization icons, including Excel tables and flowcharts for structured data presentation. For instance, inserting a flowchart allows you to extend multiple models for content input, simply by clicking a control point. Importing tables, adding or removing rows and columns, just like using a computer. Inputting numbers, just write it in. When a canvas becomes overcrowded, you can easily add a new page by clicking in the right corner, supporting up to 50 pages, providing plenty of space to work. Just like browsing different pages on a computer, you can preview and edit each page content by clicking on the page number. Faced with massive information, you may need to use the voting management function. Within the Whiteboard, we support initiating votes to facilitate decision making. For example, open the voting tool, input options 1 and 2, and participants can join the vote by scanning the QR code. After voting, we receive feedback from several votes, presenting it in a pie chart, making decisions easy. After each use of the Whiteboard, you can save it as an image, PDF or VWB. Then share it by email or save it by scanning the QR code directly to your personal device for easy access and review. First off, there's a control software by Hikvision called Hikvision Ultra. It's web-based, and once you set up the main server, you can just use a web page to handle everything, even managing thousands of devices. Adding a device is a breeze. Just open it, type the platform address, and you're done. The device automatically registers to the platform, there's no extra hassle. You can see the device status right in the web page. Now on to remote control. The new Hikvision Ultra version supports remote desktop control. Even if you're not on site, you can quickly check out the big screen, maintain devices and fix issues. It also supports remote actions like rebooting devices, turning screens on and off, adjusting volume and brightness. The platform can manage thousands of materials, all uploadable. Sharing material is a piece of cake. Just hit quick release, select what you want, and when you play it, then it's up the big screen. Type your message, pick how and when it plays, and select when it goes live. Click here to notify quickly for emergency broadcast. All materials can be sent out in batches to all screens in the group. You can even create combo comments to control multiple screens at once. And if you need to install apps in bulk, just upload them to the platform and we'll install them to all devices at once. Wonder Rooms works on Windows and brings together different meeting apps. And guess what? It's free. So go ahead, download it and give it a spin. You can log in Wonder Rooms with your email address. Inside you will see all your meeting apps on the right, along with some handy desktop tools. On the left, there's your meeting schedule, pulled straight from your email. When you get invites from different platforms, all the meeting information will be neatly laid out on the schedule. During the meeting, you can easily use the built-in annotation on the right. And when it's done, just hit the button to get back to the regular screen.